No matter what other things or other people might tell you, your value isn't in what you look like or what your body looks like or that physical thing that holds who you really are. Your true value is what's inside. It's your thoughts. It's what you do with your thoughts. It's your feelings. It's what you do with your feelings. And that deserves attention. And we get there with wonder and ponder. You're so valuable inside that you deserve to wonder and ponder. So wonder on that a little bit, and then ponder it. And I hope you have a day that's full of wonder. I hope your life becomes even more full of wonder than what it is right now, because your life is wonderful. But if we don't take the time to wander and ponder that a little bit, then we might not see how wonderful we really are.